Creatify AI tutorial.
You might not know, but I'm an AI avatar. I am created in just 10 seconds.
And this is a video ads created by Creatify AI.
For the woman who sets her path, discover an elegance rooted in nature with Armani Beauty's My Way Eau de Parfum. As floral notes entwine with cedarwood, find your story, breathe in sophistication, own the moment.
Creatify AI is a powerful AI tool that can make hyper-realistic AI avatar and high-quality video ads using the avatars in seconds. I made these 2 short videos just in 2 minutes with Creatify. You can generate high-performing marketing videos with a single click. Simply enter a product link or upload your own visuals and descriptions and let Creatify do the magic. In this video, I show you the Creatify AI tutorial and how you can work with this AI tool. I add a link in the description. With this link, you can get free credits to start with. If you click on the link, you will see this page like as me. Click on this option. Now click here to sign up and get free credits. Sign up process is really easy. Just choose your Google account. This is the main page of Creatify AI. It is really easy to use. It has 2 different parts. If you want to make video ads using avatar, click on this. If you want to make a talking avatar, click on this option. First, I show you this one and then we come back and try video ads together. Here you have 3 parts. Script, video aspect ratio, avatar. If you want to make an AI avatar video, you may have a script for it. If you don't have, you can get help from Creatify AI. Just add a prompt here and choose a style. It will generate a good script for you. Now choose your video aspect ratio. For which platform you want this video, choose the right ratio. Next, you have to choose an avatar. Here you have hyper-realistic AI avatar and styled one, of course. Also, you can make your own AI avatar if you don't like these. It would help you to generate your own character. Here you have this option to make your own face avatar. Just by uploading a simple video, you can do this. And to generate a new avatar, click on this. Each avatar in here has a unique prompt, which you can use these avatars prompt and edit them to make your owns. For example, I choose this one now. I can change and edit each part I want. Then Creatify easily make an avatar for me. You can choose or regenerate if you want. Now I want to use a character from this part. For example, this one is good. Click on Next. Your video is ready. You can play it now, and if there is something you want to change, then you can edit it easily. It is like a normal and easy editing tool. Here you have access to different parts of this video. If you click on each of these, you can edit them. For example, you can change fonts, style, color, and anything else. Remember to apply to all if you make any changes on captions. You can also change the voiceover if you want. Here you have too many options to listen, and if you want, change it. Of course, each Creatify avatar has a unique voice based on the character, and I think it is better to not change it. But you can change it anyway if you want to. If you click on Avatar, you can access to all avatar in the left side. You can change your avatar if you don't like it. Also in the upper side, here, you have access to different layout for your avatar. The purple side is like green screen. It remove the avatar background and show the avatar like as the sample. For example, I choose this one. The next thing about visually is that you can add your desired videos from this section. If you want to add any video and show your avatar like this, you can do it easily from this section. For example, maybe you have a real estate agency and want to show a house with this avatar. Just upload your assets and do what I am doing here. Drag the video or any visual assets you want and drop it into this bar. Easily.
Imagine driving the future. Tesla doesn't just manufacture cars.
Here there is a point. Your avatar lip sync will appear after you render your video. As you can see here, you have too many options to change the positions of avatar and video. And you can use a video from the Creatify library, like as I am doing now. Working with this AI is really easy, and you do not need to have any special skills or have a high-power system. You can test it free with just create an account. And one another amazing thing is adding a call to action in your video. You can write something like this and add a logo or any image from here and make a good CTA for your video ending. You can also add a music to your video, which is great, because in this part you have access to trending music. And you can use any of these. Just click on plus option to add it into your video. And after any changes you do, you can render your video easily. To render your video, you need some credit. With the link below, you will get free credits to test it. But for making more videos, you need to upgrade your account. I also add a coupon code for you to get a good discount on each plan you choose, monthly or yearly. You have just copy the coupon code in the description and paste it here. This is the best Creatify deal ever you can have, and you will get up to 75% discount, which is legendary. And the next part is for create AI video ads. Maybe you see in different platform videos that a person is talking about a product in Amazon. In this section, you just need a product link from Amazon, Shopify, or any other online marketplace. Paste the link here, and Creatify AI will do the rest for you. It will make too many video ads for this product for you easily in a minute. As you can see, it analyzes the product link and grab these information, such as description and any other keywords, and of course a bunch of images and video related. This means you don't either need to grab the image from internet, and it will speed up the time you need for making an advertisement video, which is great. Of course, you can edit anything here or upload your assets from this upload section if you like. There is no limitation. Choose your favorite ones here. Now you have a promotional button here. If your product is on sale, you can turn this on and add the normal price and discount price here to give more information to viewer. Creatify will calculate the discount amount and give you some keywords. Choose what you want. These keywords we'll use in the video script later. The next steps is for video total size. You can choose the platform you want to upload your video. You can customize it for any platform you see here. Choose it. Choose the aspect ratio of that platform, which for Instagram is this one. You can choose the duration of the video you want, which for video ads is short. I choose this one now, and here you can see different language. One of the biggest impressive things in Creatify AI is that you can choose different language and make video ads in any language for any country your audiences are in, which I select English as the main world language. You can also choose the target audience. It will analyze your product and suggest some. If you want to add another audience, you can add it, or you can even do not add anything here. No problem. The next part is really amazing. Creatify AI will generate different script for video with different purposes, which is great. You can even generate more styles if you want. Also, each of these can have a different tone of voice. Motivational, Gen Z tone, super casual, and anything you see here. Isn't amazing? I really enjoyed using Creatify. Now choose and continue. The next mission is choosing an avatar, which I talked about earlier. You can choose different avatars. For example, I choose these two avatars here, and after a minute, your videos are ready to play. You should know this, that lip sync is available after render the video. I will show you. Here you can choose all of them, some of them, or just one of them. It's up to you which one you like. If you like, you can render it from here easily by click on render option. Now let's watch these videos to show you the different format and style.
Hey, you know how everyone's talking about self-care these days? Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today.
Hey, you know how everyone's talking about self-care these days? Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today.
Hey, you know how everyone's talking about self-care these days? Yeah, well, imagine getting quick... Hey, you know how everyone's talking about self-care these days? Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today.
Hey, you know how everyone's talking about self-care these days? Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today.
Hey, you know how everyone's talking about self-care these days? Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today. Does anyone else have that one way they unwind at the end of a long day? After a hectic day, embracing self-care becomes essential. With product name, relaxing at home is wonderfully simple. Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge. This is the #1 way to get quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Everyone's buzzing about self-care these days, and with the Talico massage gun, relief is just moments away. Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today.
Have you ever wondered how everyone's talking about self-care these days? With the buzz around self-care lately, discover pure bliss with the Serenity Essential Oil Set. Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today.
These are really perfect. Now, for example, I like this one, and I want to edit it before I render it. As you see, this is the exact editor part. But this video ad has different parts, and you can edit each part separately. By clicking on Edit option, you can edit the details of that part as I explained earlier. And after edit, click on this back option. Here you have some different parts too that you can change or add or remove anything you want. That's it, easy. After all edit, click on render. As I said before, to render each video you need some credits. So after you finish your credits, you have to upgrade your account. Here you can see your video is generating. Wait for it. After it is completed, you will see it in complete option here. Click and play.
Have you ever wondered how everyone's talking about self-care these days? With the buzz around self-care lately, discover pure bliss with the Serenity Essential Oil Set. Yeah, well, imagine getting quick pain relief with a Talico massage gun that goes for nearly half off. Recharge and save the gift of relaxation today.
Then you can download it. As you can see, it is really a hyper-realistic avatar and a good video ads without any effort. It really saves time and money to make a ton of video ads and make money online. To remove the watermark, you need to upgrade. I add a Creatify AI coupon code to get a good discount in the description. Use and enjoy this new opportunity.